Sweltering heat in a barren landscape. This is Ali Ade refugee camp in Djibouti. It is home to thousands of Somali refugees. People here say that conditions at the camp are pushing them to the very limits of their endurance. Their growing numbers have been overwhelming for this tiny country. Some of the refugees have lived here for more than 17 years, but there are some who've just arrived, uprooted by the fresh conflict in Somalia. Amina Salat is one of the new arrivals. It took her 25 days to cover the 800-kilometer trek between Mogadishu and Djibouti.
Everyone loves to live in his own country, but we are being kept away by the conflict in ours. Life here is tough. There's basically a shortage of everything. Everyone here has difficulties.
The refugees are receiving their rations from the UN. They are provided with only the basics. It's these people who will benefit most from any peace agreement in Somalia. They are isolated and cut off and have only food handouts to depend on. They say they long for the day they will go back home. But with the situation in Somalia as it is, there's no way out for them. This is what they have had to flee. The conflict in Somalia continues to simmer. There are now fresh attempts to bring the warring parties together. Ahmedo Ol Abdallah is the UN Special Representative for Somalia, the man leading the talks.
We cannot spend decades speculating on people. We have to give people the benefits of a doubt. And there is no peace without compromise.
But compromise doesn't seem to be on the minds of Somalia's opposition groups.
Ethiopian occupation is the main obstacle against Somali peace process, and unless that we address that obstacle, we cannot achieve any lasting peace in Somalia. We are not setting conditions, but we are trying to create a condition for talk.
And no doubt this posturing will offer no relief to the hundreds of thousands of Somalia's desperate refugees. Mohammed Ado, Al Jazeera, Djibouti.